Superfluous funds.
I'm sorry, sir, but you're going to have to pay for all
Soto.
12 coins. They're not marked individually.
Hello. Hi. We're on a cruise ship. Whoa! 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 You okay? Yeah, basically. Whoa! What the heck is this? Stimulants? Come on. Ah! Why is it all so slippery? Oh no! Oh no! The ship is sinking! We must evacuate! But no! We both have gliders in our... We both have gliders in our arms. You know that, right? Oh. Then let's glide out of here! Wait. We have to get our stuff before. Okay. Puts it in their box. Alright, let's fly away now. Bye bye. Up and away. Land somewhere in a random place. Whoa, where are we? Wait, this is Antarctica. Oh my god, repeat.